I thought come go shop for me.
Yeah. I don't want to go nowhere now. Woman, food ready. Ah, boy, every day you call me and I say me go shop. You know what, next time you go shop yourself. Ah, boy. Wait there, what she said she want again? She want flour, you know what, me just go buy bag juice and cheese chip. Mommy, where some girl shop, they never have none. You know, some hungry.